This is the wig. You can't take this anywhere anymore.
It is 12:14 a.m.
I'm already pretty, but to wear this, Jesus, you don't even know. You don't even know how much I'm going to be looking. Hello?
Girl, do you know what time it is?
What time?
Girl, you gotta tell them.
Ooh, hair time. Okay. As you can see, you know it's time to take down my hair. It's been 2 weeks since I did this hairstyle and I loved it. But listen, my hair has been itching so much. I think my hair starts from, no, let's be realistic, around this side, the end of the hair. But I'm just going to cut a little bit back so I don't really cut my own hair. So I'm going to start with my pre-poo. This is the oil I use. I feel like it's a norm for every new creator to introduce themselves. But for me, I'm not going to introduce myself. But I'm going to tell you guys my journey as a natural girly. I have relaxed my hair before. I have dyed my hair before. My hair has gone through a lot. I went on a vacation and someone messed up with my hair, okay? You know when you go for a vacation, you want to braid something fresh, something new. And then you see how when something is not yours, you don't treat it right. The people who do that, you're warned. This lady started to rip my hair. Literally, she used a fine tooth comb and then like literally was combing my without spraying my hair with water. And so anytime she like combs it out, I'm just hearing the tear of my hair. I'm like, God, what did I do just for one hairstyle? Since I made up my mind, I've been braiding my hair by myself and I've been loving the journey. Actually, I've been natural for like 5 years and I cut it off. The reason why I cut it off was because I didn't know how to grow my hair. I came to the US when I was 16. Where I'm from, they don't allow kids to braid their hair, okay? You'll be shaving your hair off just to go to school. And so I didn't know anything about natural hair. I didn't know how to take off my hair. I didn't know how to, I did literally the basics, take down this extension. It was very hard for me to like grow my hair. I was putting so much things in my hair, just, you know, those schemes when they say grow your hair overnight and all those things. I used to do those things. Like, the limit for me was when I saw someone said we should use
Onion water to grow our hair,
and I said, nah, that's the end. I'm not about to put anything in my hair. So I don't really have build up, but let me just show you how to take down your hair the safe way. Okay, I have my oil right here and it's a bit lukewarm, and so what I do is I put it on the roots. Let's say you have build up, strong build up, you spray water in it. Okay, you just spray water on that section and then you put the lukewarm oil on top of it and then like massage it in very well, and then make sure it is soft enough to detangle. Now when you're taking down your hair, don't start from the root, start from the end. So this is where my hair started from. This is the length I have gotten to, and so if I don't intentionally take down my hair patiently, what is going to happen is that this part of the hair is going to cut off, or is going to be breakages all over my hair, and we don't want that. Okay, so take down the hair properly, and please, I beg you, let me not stress this enough. Taking down your hair can either break your hair or retain length. It depends on how you take down your hair properly, please. Anyways, length check. I love the fact that my hair is growing. Nah, shrinkage is so real. Like, look at this. Let me show you my length real quick. This is my length, and even more if you can see the end of it. And look, can you, bro, I love black people hair. I just finished detangling my hair. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to wash my hair and condition my hair. As you can see, my hair is freshly washed. Let me show you the time real quick. It is 3:40 a.m. I don't know why I'm still up, but you know, God is just helping me out because I am determined. I want to do everything on my list before I sleep. Do you get what I'm saying? And so right now, I have two products which I'm going to use. I have this butter cream. I love butters in my hair, honestly. Like, you can see blue magic. I am not using oils, not because I don't love oils. I adore oils, but I love the butters. The reason is because it keeps my hair moisturized for a very long time. I don't think I'm going to blow dry my hair because I feel like it is long enough to be put in a protective style. I'm thinking of making like cornrows, but also I'm thinking of making mini twists. I also love mini braids, but it's just that when I'm taking out my hair, it's going to be very difficult to take it out. I'm just going to play around with it. I'm not going to part it so it becomes clean because I'm going to wear a wig anyways. After a solid one day, forgive me, I had so much things going on. And this is the hair I'm trying to install for today. I have done blonde before. I love blonde, honestly. I love it. I'm trying a new look because I've been wearing black so many times for a very long time. And so I'm just excited to try blonde again. So this is the reason why I actually did my braids like this. Something about me when it comes to installing wigs is the fact that I have a sensitive skin, okay? Like, my skin becomes very sensitive, especially my scalp. When I wear a protective style for a very long time, even with this one, I have to take it down probably a week or two. I can stretch it only for 2 weeks. And you can tell my scalp becomes very dirty. The moment my scalp becomes dirty, it becomes very itchy. I'm working on finding a solution for that. And so my friend told me this is what she uses, and this is my first time using it, so I don't know if it's going to work. So this is the wig. You guys, I'm super excited about it. I'm already pretty, but to wear this, Jesus, you don't even know. You don't even know how much I'm going to be looking. You don't even know. If you can make sure the lace fits your skin tone, you are good to go. I am already feeling the glow up. I am feeling it. Like,
I don't know if you can feel it too. I am feeling it.
I'm about to start styling my hair. This is just to mold the hair down, okay? Oh, I look pretty already. I am pretty, but I look... Jesus! Jesus, you love me too much, oh. Yo, pretty privilege is real. Let me talk. Pretty privilege is so real. Yesterday I went to the store to get some 1 or 2 things, and then there was a long queue. The line was very long, and this man came to me and said, the person who sells this thing came to me and said, you look so pretty, do you know that? And he kept on saying, do you know that? And I said, yes, of course I do know it. And he said, you know what, I'm going to let them serve you before them. Pretty privilege is so real. I believe everybody's pretty, but if you have not found your style or like what fits you, especially your hair, make sure to invest in yourself. It's going to pay off. Honestly, it really is going to pay off. All right, so it's time for me to do the side part, and I'm going to do it now. Honestly, we chill here. This channel is just vibes on vibes. Yes. Oh, it is on. It is. This is good. I'm going to use this melting spray. I believe at this point I don't need no melting spray because, you know, it's already laid. But I'm just going to put it on top just in case, because this heat is crazy. Do you see the melt? These brands are just doing it. They are doing it for me. Trust me when I say use your shoelace to melt your wig lasers. Anyways, this is the final look. I love this one. See you guys in my next video. Bye.